Recently, we talked to you about our UBL switch panels and their applications. But what do you do if you have a lighting setup that needs more power? The UBL 1100 switch box is sure to get the job done. Let's take a look at exactly what they're capable of right now. What's up everyone, Billy here with Ultra Bright Lights, and today we're going to explore our line of UBL 1100 switch boxes. Switchbox is an amazing product for controlling a variety of lights, sirens, and more. We offer a 4-switch, 6-switch, and 8-switch box, each with a built-in 10 amp fuse. Included with the switch box is a wiring harness to easily connect your lights, a U-bracket for simple mounting, and a sticker sheet to label your various switches. Now here we've already connected a 6-switch box to an Illumix surface mount and an Illumix 200 stick light to demonstrate how they work. You might be wondering why you would need a switch box instead of one of our UBL switch panels. That's a great question. Determining which is best for you depends completely on your setup and personal preference. The switch panels are a really simple way of connecting your lights. Plus, you have the option to choose between 3 different switches based on your needs. Switch panels also take up minimal space. So, if you're just connecting a few lights, a switch panel will definitely work for you. But the trade-off for saving space means less power. The built-in amp of the switch box increases the number of lights you can connect. And the included wiring harness provides convenience of connection along with a neat and organized look. Both are great options, but ultimately what you decide is a matter of what you need for your setup. The UBL 1100 switch box is a hassle-free and clean option for powering your lights. The black metal housing provides excellent durability, and the included bracket and wiring harness allow for easy setup and mounting. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below or contact us via Facebook, Instagram, by phone, or at ultrabrightlights.com. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more great content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.